Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. We're actually downstairs in my basement workshop today because I needed somewhere to put this brand new 24-inch sheet metal brake by Vevor. It came in its own custom wooden shipping crate and weighed in somewhere around 110 pounds. And if you've never seen a brake used before, let me give you a quick demonstration. This allows you to get crisp and accurate 90-degree bends on metal. And there's the result of my quick work. This machine is going to save me a lot of time. And yeah, that was nice, but this machine can bend metal up to 24 inches wide. I'm checking to make sure I'm square with the machine here. There we go. I'm supposed to bolt this down, but I'm not sure if I want to keep it here yet. So I'm pulling with one hand and pushing, holding the machine with the other. And I'm not just limited to 90-degree bends. Like this angle here, this would have been perfect when I replaced the front floor pans on the 1980 Toyota. This sheet metal brake can do angles from 0 to 135 degrees. This thing is absolutely well built. Look at how heavy duty this construction is. A while back, I looked at one of these from Eastwood, and their price was $540 plus shipping. After shipping and tax, the total was $658. This unit by Vevor is less than half of the other guy's price at $215, plus free shipping. And don't forget to use the additional 5% discount code down in the description. But don't be fooled by the price. Both units look to have the exact same heavy-duty design and construction. You might say, I want one made in USA, but the Vevor's made in China. Well, I did some research, and the Eastwood is also made in China. Now, in addition to being able to bend 24-inch wide pieces of sheet metal, we also have a full range of adjustability with these configurable fingers. You can see here these fingers are 1-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch. And these fingers can be adjusted to give you a variety of sizes. So if I remove the 10-inch, I'm left with a 14-inch work area with open space on both sides. And these fasteners on the back, they slide over and out through this channeled groove. Actually, let's slide this 2-inch back over. Tighten these back down. And the reason I need this open space on the side is if I need to make a 90-degree corner. And that's also why these are removable. And I'm going to show how easy it is to make a 90 right now. Bend our first edge, just like before. And now our second 90, nice and square. Let me show you from this angle. I want to make sure the finger is inside this corner edge here. Just inside is good. Square. And it's that easy. Here's my 90-degree corner that I would weld together. Now, what about a more complicated shape? Something like this rocker panel section. It has a 90 as well as some more gradual curved angles. Now I can make this too. Let me show you how. But first, let me show you how I used to bend metal. It was pretty rudimentary. I basically bent it with a 4-inch bench vise, which wasn't very precise to begin with, and then formed it into shape with a hammer. So not only was it often uneven, but it was also full of dents from the hammer, and none of that is ideal for bodywork. This sheet metal press should help me save a lot of time creating more precise repair panels. So I just want to bend this up a little bit, slightly move it, bend it up just a little bit again, and keep repeating this process. I'm left with a smooth, rounded curve. Let's do another. There. I've never been able to do that with my bench vise. So if you're interested in picking up one of these sheet metal brakes for your projects, don't shop any other guys. Get them at Vevor for less than half price, and I'll put a link down in the description for an additional discount code to save you some more money. Thanks for watching.